Hello and welcome. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blackbirds, a group of avian species that are often overlooked and misunderstood. These birds are not only beautiful, but also incredibly interesting. In this 3-minute video, we'll uncover 5 intriguing facts about these often misunderstood creatures. From their unique behaviors to their important roles in the ecosystem, blackbirds have so much to offer. So let's get started and explore the wonders of these amazing birds together. Blackbirds are not just beautiful, they're incredibly intelligent too. These fascinating creatures have captured the attention of scientists and bird enthusiasts alike. Their sleek, dark feathers and sharp eyes are just the beginning of what makes them so special. Did you know that some species of blackbirds can use tools? This remarkable ability sets them apart from many other bird species. They have been seen picking up sticks and using them in ways that demonstrate a high level of problem-solving skills. Yes, you heard that right. These birds have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark. This behavior shows not only their intelligence, but also their adaptability in finding food. They carefully select the right stick, then use it to probe into crevices where insects hide. It's pretty amazing, don't you think? Their ability to solve problems and use tools is a testament to their cognitive abilities. Watching a blackbird in action is like seeing a tiny genius at work. They remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, and sometimes it's found in the most unexpected places. Throughout history, blackbirds have held a special place in mythology and folklore. These enigmatic creatures have captured the human imagination for centuries, appearing in countless stories and legends across different cultures and eras. From the ravens of Norse mythology, where they were seen as the eyes and ears of the god Odin, to the crows in Native American legends, which are often depicted as wise and cunning tricksters, blackbirds have always been more than just ordinary animals. In many cultures, these birds are believed to possess supernatural powers. For instance, in Celtic mythology, the raven is associated with the Morrigan, a goddess of war and fate, who could transform into a raven to foretell death and destruction on the battlefield. Similarly, in Greek mythology, the crow was once a white bird that was turned black by the god Apollo as a punishment for delivering bad news. These birds are often seen as symbols of mystery and magic, embodying the unknown and the unseen. So, next time you see a blackbird, remember there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. They are not just creatures of the natural world, but also messengers from the realm of the divine, carrying with them the weight of ancient stories and timeless wisdom.